Astaras is a 25-year-old business, and this new facility is really going to transform our global ability to provide wonderful products that can go from the moon to the ocean.
I think over the past 2 years, Pinellas County has made it abundantly clear to us that they're invested in creating jobs and economic growth in their communities here. That is for sure.
Our advanced processes produce tungsten heavy alloys vital to industries requiring unmatched strength and precision, all while prioritizing sustainability and strengthening the U.S. supply chains, which we find very important here. We're very proud to drive the innovation right here in Pinellas County and contribute to the local economy.
So Pinellas County historically has been a hospitality and tourism-based economy. Anytime we have the opportunity to expand our manufacturing base, it is a great day. And we've done that here today. Pinellas County leads the state. We're number 3 in manufacturing in the state. And adding more jobs and more companies to that portfolio just expands our employment opportunities for great paying jobs in the future.